So I'm inside my Civic and I'll turn on my electronics. And I got my phone charger here. If it's working, there'll be like a blue LED indicator that surrounds this area. It's pretty obvious if it's working or not. And if I plug it in the cigarette lighter, as you can see, it's not turning on. So yeah, we'll check out the fuses. I'm pretty sure that's the problem. And for this car, the fuse box will be over here underneath the steering wheel column. So if you see here, sorry, it's kind of out of focus, but it's gonna be in slot 28 and 29. Hopefully you can see that. It's kind of dark in here, but yeah, it's gonna be the 15 amps, either 28 and 29. We'll go ahead and pull them out, both out, 28 and 29. See these blue fuses right here? Yeah, we'll pull it out and check it out, and hopefully that's the problem. So we pulled out fuses 28 and 29. It seems like 28 is the real culprit here. I don't have the right lens for this, but you can see in the middle of the fuse, there's no connection. It's broken. You can see there's supposed to be a metal piece in there that's connected, but as you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but it's disconnected. And then on the other one, in 29, it's connected, but then you can see there's discoloring on the metal, on the outer metal piece. You can't see it, but yeah, it's kind of dirty. You can see that. So we'll go ahead and replace both of them. I bought two new 15 amp fuses, so yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the problem. Let's cross our fingers and hope that works. So here's the moment of truth to see if the fuse really worked. Turning on the systems in my car, turning on the electronics. And then here I got my USB drive adapter or my phone charger. And once again, you'll see that's working once you see the blue light indicator turning on. So as you can see, it worked. So yeah, it was just a fuse problem, and yeah, so once again, thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more upcoming updates on my fa5 Civic Si, and stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks and have a good day.